Hi, the topic that we're going to talk about today is microphones. Microphones are the most important equipment used for sound recordings. They convert sound waves into electronic signals and amplify them. Today we'll talk about the different type of microphones. First one being a dynamic microphone. A dynamic microphone is a unidirectional microphone which is very commonly used in our day-to-day life. People use this for announcements, for singing, or you can see it very commonly in schools, colleges, and any kind of musical events that happen. These are the very common mics that are used. The second type of microphone is a condenser microphones. These are most commonly used for sound recording, for recording of instruments, etc. These are very sensitive microphones. These pick up even the slightest sound that is made in the room. The condenser microphones are bidirectional microphones. They pick up sound from two directions, are most commonly used for interviews, podcasts, or for singing, etc. The third type of microphone that we're going to talk about is the piezo microphone. These microphones are commonly seen for caller mics in your mobile phones, on tablets, on laptops, etc. Piezo microphones are omnidirectional microphones. They pick up sound from all the directions, and they are most commonly very small and tiny and used in devices that can pick up sound very easily. I hope this was informative. Thank you.